Hi fellow traders, I'm embarked on a journey to explore the market structure, break and order indicator potential, deciding, dedicating a few months to this experiment, and I'm here to share the outcomes. I utilized the optimal configurations for the market structure break and order indicator plus using a filter indicator and executed quick trades. I encourage you to view the entire video to witness all the trades executed, understand the unique settings employed, and later I'll reveal the results. But without further ado, let's dive right into the strategy. First, let's add the market structure break and order indicator. After that, let's make a few optimizations. This tool is designed to identify significant market structure breaks, which can signal potential trading opportunities. When the market breaks a key structure level, it often indicates a shift in the market sentiment, providing us with valuable insights. Hold on a moment, we need to utilize another tool to detect false breakouts. This tool is one of the best indicators on the TradingView website, known as the TASC Directional Movement Indicator. Now that you've added this tool to your strategy, go ahead and adjust its settings just like I do. As you can see, this oscillator has a colored area that moves up and down a line. If the area is above the midline, it will be yellow according to the settings we've made, and if it's below the midline, it will be blue. Therefore, considering this, the yellow color confirms the potential for buying and the blue color indicates the potential for selling. Now that you're familiar with all the points related to the settings and indicators and how they work, let's refine the entry rules together. So if we're looking to get into a short trade, we first need to see a bearish breakout. Once we have that, we'll need to check out the TASC indicator to confirm the signal. If everything checks out, feel free to open a short position. Moving forward, you'll want to set your stop loss at the recent swings. And finally, for setting your target, try using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now suppose you're considering entering a long trade. The first thing you'll want to observe is a bullish breakout. Once that occurs, it's crucial to validate the signal with the TASC indicator. If the indicator aligns, you're all set to initiate a long position. As you proceed, remember to place your stop loss at the recent swing points. Lastly, when it comes to defining your target, a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 would be a good strategy. But now the question arises, how does this strategy perform in the real market conditions? The simple answer is, let's test it out. We put this strategy to the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame, and the results were quite persuasive. Over a series of 100 trades, the strategy showed a solid win rate of 71%. What's even more impressive is that it generated a significant profit of 297% in a mere 17 weeks. These results truly highlighted the effectiveness of this trading strategy. But wait, there's more to the story. I've recently discovered a free indicator on TradingView that has the potential to turn any losing trader into a profitable one. I've explained it in detail in this suggested video, so don't miss out on it.